in a land far beyond the reach of humans. Fierce birds in nests atop high, insurmountable mountains. In their nests, the fragrant sticks we so desired. Sticks that could only be collected at the risk of life. Stories of demons and monsters that guarded the aromatic spice. Tales of valor, faraway lands and fierce oceans. This is the story of cinnamon, one of the earliest spices known to humans. Ancient stories rooted in time. Stories of intrigue and greed, valor and wisdom, evolution and growth. The tale of cinnamon is one with multiple plots. A story that can begin way back in time. Cinnamon dates back in Chinese writings to 2,800 years before Christ. It was a spice with magical powers of healing and preservation. Herodotus, seeker of truth, widely referred as the father of history, believed that cinnamon came from the nests of fierce birds. Pliny the Elder believed that cinnamon came from faraway Ethiopia, carried on rafts with no oars or sails, powered by man alone and his courage. It was the aroma of the wood that made it precious. Cinnamon, a spice that finds mention in the Holy Bible. Moses used it as an ingredient for his anointing oils. Ancient Egyptians used cinnamon in embalming mummies for its pleasant aroma and preservative qualities. Cinnamon was the chosen spice to flavor food and preserve meat, a fragrance fit for gods and royalty. Legend holds that the Roman Emperor Nero plotted the murder of his second wife, Poppaea Sabina. He burned as much as he could find of the precious cinnamon on the funeral pyre to atone for his role in her death. The source of cinnamon was a secret guarded zealously by Arab traders, wanting it to remain exotic, rare, and more expensive than gold.
आजू बाजू में ऐसे स्टोरीज बनाएं कि कोई उसको कल्टीवेट ना कर पाए और वो उनकी मोनोपोली हो जाए। ऐसे भी कुछ स्टोरीज है कि बैट्स होते थे या ड्रैगन्स होते थे और वो ड्रैगन जब भी नीचे उतरता था तो उसके रोल्स बन के आते थे।
Truth cannot remain hidden, and monopolies are meant to be broken. In the year 1518, Portuguese sailors reached Sri Lanka, then Ceylon, a tiny island south of India in the Indian Ocean. Imagine their surprise when they saw cinnamon being harvested from an ordinary tree. They had found the home of cinnamon. The Portuguese were quick to enslave the island's population and gain control of the cinnamon trade for about a century. Cinnamon is a tree spice, a common name for a number of trees and shrubs that belong to the genus Cinnamomum, a name that comes from the Arabic word meaning fragrant spice plant. Known for their peeling barks, these aromatic trees belong to the Lauraceae family.